Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the circuit fit feature in the Bode Analyzer Suite. If you'd like to know how we obtain the measured curve used in this example, check out our Shunt-Thru measurement video. In that video, we measured a capacitor. Let's get started. To enable this feature, go to Measurement tab and click Add Circuit Fit. This opens the Circuit Fit window. In this window, you can define the target error, also called RMSRE. RMSRE stands for root mean square relative error. In simple terms, it tells us how far the fitted model is away from the original measured curve. The higher the RMSRE value, the larger the average difference between the measured trace and the fitted model. For this example, I'll set the target error to 5%. Now I'll click Search Now. As you can see in the lower left corner, the final RMSRE is 3.42%. That already gives us a reasonably good fit. But let's see if we can improve it further. I'll now reduce the target error to 2% and run the search again. If we look at the result now, we can see that the final error is below 2%, which gives us an even better fit. You can also change the network type from series to parallel using this button here. This allows you to test different equivalent circuit structures and see which one matches the measurement behavior best. If you want to use the fitted model in a simulation tool such as QSpice or LTSpice, click the Export to Spice button. This exports the equivalent circuit as a Spice model. Now I'm in QSpice and I've already imported the generated circuit fit model. The circuit you see here was taken directly from the Bode Analyzer Suite. Depending on the measurement method used, the required wiring in the SPICE simulation may look different. In this example, we use the Shunt-Thru method. If you want to reproduce the measurement setup in SPICE, go to Home, Impedance/Reflection Setup in the Bode Analyzer Suite and copy the wiring diagram into your preferred simulation program. Please also keep in mind that the Bode is a 50 ohm system, so the corresponding resistors in the simulation need to be set to 50 ohms. I'll now run the simulation of the generated circuit fit. The top plot shows the impedance magnitude of the device under test in ohms. The bottom plot shows the impedance phase. As you can see, the simulated magnitude and phase look very similar to the original measurement in the Bode Analyzer Suite. Let's now compare our results between the measured curve and the circuit fit. Visually, the difference between the measured curve and the fitted curve is very small. The two traces almost overlap. However, if we compare the two traces with the cursor, we can see that there are still small differences in the values. At some points, the fitted model is almost identical to the measured curve. At other points, there's a noticeable difference. This is important to keep in mind when using the circuit fit result in a SPICE simulation. We have now looked at the network fit feature. Another feature I would like to show you is the predefined models feature. This feature allows you to select different models depending on your needs. With this, the software calculates the RMSRE, and that's what we're going to do. I'll select predefined models under Fit mode, and I'll select Model G. I'll now click Start Fit. As you can see, our RMSRE is 29.513%. To look at the values of our generated circuit model, we can press on Show Editable Formula Parameters. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions regarding the circuit fit feature or any other features, check out our other videos or our application notes on our website.